Hey friends, what's up? This is Diwakar here and welcome back to my channel. So guys, I have my ultimate beast over here today. I've got this. Boom. This is the 3-axis gimbal by Zhiyun. The model is Smooth Q. This is an 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. So you can use both in smartphones and GoPros, that is action cams. So guys, let me to most of the people are not aware what is gimbal. The gimbal is this device you can take your stabilized shots. For example, suppose you are walking or you want to shoot a video or photo. So when you try to walk or run and you want to take a video, after that sometime you notice that the video becomes very shaky. So that's why I have bought this gimbal. I purchased this from geekbuying.com. It's directly shipped from China. Its actual price is around 15,000 rupees, but I got it for around 6,000 rupees in Geekbuying because this special offer is going on. So guys, before opening this, let me show you. There is a picture of the gimbal and a smartphone, and let's see nothing else on the sides. And here it says, let me turn this up. Oh, sorry. And guys, let me focus this. As you can see, directly you can charge your mobile through the gimbal. It has instant manual zooming control, 12 hours continuous work time, and two-way mounting clamp. So guys, you can easily switch between portrait and landscape mode. So guys, without wasting our time, let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, I have my scissors over here. Let's see, where is the seal, man? Oh, box into the another box. Okay, that's here is a seal. Seal should be here. Oh, so you don't get a seal. The box was completely packed, and here we go. Oh guys, something is here special. Let's take this. So guys, here it's the case. Gimbal is inside this. Let's keep this aside and let's see the accessories. So guys, you get a user manual. Make sure to read this because it has complete info on the product. Let's keep this aside, and we have more things. We have micro USB cable for charging the mobile through the gimbal, and a carrying strap for the bags. So guys, these are the things you get in the box. So guys, let's keep these things aside and let's look at the gimbal. So guys, the case is of good quality. Zip is of also good quality. Zhiyun branding on the zips. It looks like mini violin case. It's little heavy. Let's unzip it and check it out. So guys, I have unzipped this. Here we go. Oh, that's so strange, man. And here it's the silica gel. Yeah, let's throw this away. And guys, the gimbal's movement is so smooth, man. Very smooth. Unable to believe. So guys, here it's the gimbal. So guys, let me go to the physical overview. Firstly, we will talk about the body. The body is fully made up of high quality of plastic. High quality of plastic is used. It doesn't look cheap from any angle. And buttons are also feeling what we say soft. And guys, let us talk about the physical overview. So guys, let's talk about the buttons first. Here you have Zhiyun branding, and here it's the 4-way joystick, up, down, left and right, and here are the 2 LED indicators, and this is the mode button, this is the multifunction button, and this is the zoom slide switch. And guys, here it's the micro USB port for charging the gimbal. And guys, on the bottom it's the USB port. Let me focus that. Here you have USB port for charge, so you can directly charge the phone through the gimbal. So it has the power bank inside too. And on the bottom we have quarter-inch, what we say 1/4 thread, quarter-inch, that is you can fix it easily to a monopod or a tripod. And guys, here it's the pan axis. It is having 3 motors. This is pan axis motor. It is having the range of 360 degrees. And guys, this is the roll axis. It has also the range of 320 degrees. As you can see, it stops over there. And guys, this one is the tilt axis. It has also the range of 320 degrees. So guys, here it's the clamp, and here I will show you Zhiyun Smooth Q branding. And guys, with the help of this screw, you can switch between horizontal, what we say, landscape and portrait mode. And guys, this roll axis arm is used to balance the phone's weight and the gimbal's weight. So the balancing procedure I will show you in a moment. So let's go and take some shots. So guys, as you can see, I am having my gimbal and my phone and my mini tripod. So guys, I will show you the balancing procedure, but before balancing I forgot to tell you 2 things. One is this gimbal's weight. The gimbal's weight is around 450 grams. and the max payload it can take up to is 220 grams. And guys, if you are having action cam but not having gimbal, so guys, you can purchase this gimbal, and this CD like pattern makes gimbal very premium. Now guys, make sure about that. If you are having action cam, then you have to buy a separate extension for this. It comes, action cam holder comes. I will put that link into the description. So guys, I don't have action cam, but I will try to get one. The best action cam I will try to get. So guys, as you can see, I have mini tripod, so I am going to fix this. Okay, it's fixed. Now let's keep the phone. But guys, make sure about one thing. If you are keeping a phone, the tilt axis motor should be on the right hand side, like this. This is the tilt axis motor. It should be on the right hand side. Now let's fix the phone. So I have this my Moto E3 Power. Now I will show you that. Let me fix the phone, then I will show you. You have to fix the phone. Something like this. Okay. Now guys, as you can see, the gimbal is not balanced properly. As you can see, there is a screw in the roll axis arm. You have to, the screw is very tight, man. Okay, it's opened. Now let's extend the roll axis arm little by little. Oh, it's gone right side more. Oh, still you have to balance it this properly. Perfect. Now little, okay, now it's perfect. Now let's tighten this screw. So guys, make sure the screw is tight. And now let's see the magic. So guys, here over here it's a multifunction button in the red color. You have to press it for 2 to 3 seconds. Now I will show you the magic. See, 1, 2, 3. As you can see guys, the gimbal is on right now. Now let me take out this mini tripod. And guys, if you want to buy this mini tripod, I will put the link into the description box below, so you can check out that. It's a good tripod for its price, and it supports the weight around 3 kilos. So that's great. Now guys, let's look into the gimbal. As you can see, the gimbal starts balancing. Whoa, that's so stable, man. So guys, as you can see, it's so stable, so smooth. Whoa, that's great. Now guys, I will show you how to use the gimbal. I will tell you its functions and the functions and its modes. I will tell you all the modes in this video today. So guys, stay tuned for that, and I will tell you how to use this. Friends, I am going to demonstrate how to use this gimbal. The gimbal enters the pan following mode by default each time when powered on. In the pan following mode, the smartphone pans left or right following the movement of the stabilizer while the tilt and roll axis are locked. Pushing the joystick up or down controls the tilt axis. The second mode is locking mode. In this mode, the movement of all the 3 axes are locked to keep the camera still and stable. Pushing the joystick left or right, it helps you to control the tilt pan axis, and pushing the joystick up or down, it helps you to control the tilt axis. As you can see, all the axes are locked, and I am trying to move the camera, but it's still and stable in its position only. So it's so surprising. So friends, by triple pressing the mode button, you can enter into the selfie mode. In this you can take selfie videos, and this is the useful feature especially for the vloggers. So friends, by double pressing the mode button, you can enter into the following mode. In this mode, the camera pans and tilts the following the movement of the gimbal. Pushing the joystick left or right, it allows you to control the roll axis. So guys, let's go out and take some shots, and let's see what this gimbal can do. So stay tuned for that. So guys, this video was shot without the gimbal on my Moto E3 Power. I was just walking casually and holding phone in my hand. As you can see, the video looks very shaky and it's unbalanced, as you can see. As you can see, this shot is taken with the gimbal. As you can see, the video is very smooth and stabilized. I was just walking at the same speed without the gimbal in the previous one. Now we will compare both, so you can tell me in the comment box which video looks good to you. So friends, this is together comparison. So tell me which video did you like. Please tell me in the comment box below. This video was shot without the gimbal. I was running at a good speed and video doesn't look watching like. So with this video was shot with the gimbal. I was running at a good speed as before. As you can see, oh my god, the video looks so stabilized. It looks like that it was taken by the professionals. So guys, compare these two videos. It was looking, the camera was just flying in the air when it was taken with gimbal. So friends, you can control your gimbal through mobile also, but you need an app called Zhiyun Assistant. I will put that link to the app in the description box below. So guys, you have to click on the connection. On top of that, its available device will show. It takes a time, but it comes. You have to switch on your Bluetooth first, then your connection will come. So guys, don't go to the settings, it has the separate Bluetooth feature. The Smooth Q is coming. Now I have connected. Now the battery percentage and the pan axis rotation, everything is showing on the screen. So guys, now you can see two virtual joysticks on this screen. The red one which is glowing, you can control that only. As you can see, now I am controlling the tilt axis with this mobile only. As you can see, the tilt axis is moving. Now let's go to lock mode. Sorry, that's not working. That is another one. As you can see, the pan motor is rotating. Oh, that's cool, huh? You can control it through mobile also, but you need an app, Zhiyun Assistant. But this app is not that great. You can control the roll axis also with this. That's great. This app has object tracking feature also. As you can see, I dragged myself. I tracked. As you can see, the gimbal is following me as when I move, but I have to move slowly. If I move fast, then it gets confused. As you can see, I am moving just very slowly. Now see, when I try to move fast, the gimbal gets confused and is not able to track me. But when I get back to this camera, it's able to track me. But guys, it is not that accurate, but it does work. Guys, I told you about the zoom slide switch. Pressing it downwards, you can toggle between photo and the video mode, and pressing upwards, you can toggle between front facing and rear facing cameras. So that's great, but you have to connect your Bluetooth, then only it will work. And the multifunction button works as the shutter button also when connected with the Bluetooth. Guys, as I told you in the beginning, you can charge your phone through the gimbal. Now connect the USB port in the port given in the gimbal. As you can see, I am connecting that USB type A. Okay, it's done. Then connect your another port, that is micro USB, to your charging port in the mobile. See, I am connecting that also. Okay, it's now done. Now switch on your gimbal. As you can see, the phone started charging. As you can see, red LED notification is glowing. That means it is charging. As you can see, charging is showing. Now let me pull out the charging port. As you can see, charging is not coming. When I put back the cable, it starts charging again. And then see, and then you can see the charging has been started. So that's great. It double up as a power bank also. Now guys, let's talk about the results. Firstly, we will talk about its handle. The handle is very broad and it's almost uncomfortable to hold, but it still worked. I would have suggested to give narrow handle because it is easy and very comfortable to hold. So let's leave that and let's talk about the app. The app wasn't that great, but it still worked. The ratings on the Google Play were also not good, so I suggest Zhiyun to improve the application as soon as possible. And now let's talk about its battery life. The battery life was good. It was giving around 11 hours to 12 hours battery life, and charging time took about 2.5 to 3 hours, so that's great. And talking about the motors were very quick and responsive. So what can you ask from this budget gimbal? So guys, if you want to buy this gimbal, I will give 4 best buy links in the description box below, so you can check that out. And I will give the link to the mini tripod and the action cam bracket also, so check that out also. So guys, hope you liked the video. If liked, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.